Welcome to Casco Bay Ford, located at exit 17 off I-295 right in Yarmouth, Maine. 34 years consecutive running, repeated non-stop domination of the competition. Here at Casco Bay Ford, we have secured the truck inventory for our customers with a great selection plus. By plus, I mean there are many more 24 to 48 hours away in the Ford available inventory. If you're in the market for a new truck, the time to buy is now, when you can save, really save, during Ford Truck Month. Save thousands right now with cashback incentives, or spread out the savings with 0% interest, $1,000 trade-in assistance, and no payments for 90 days. Whatever you need to get the job done, you can count on a Ford-built tough truck. Our team of experts are ready to go over all the features and quality materials that knock out the competition. Experience for yourself. Come in to drive the new Ranger, F-150, or heavy-duty trucks. Super cabs, crew cabs, regular cabs, all trims in many colors. Right here, right now, our 110% low price guarantee, excellent trade values, and Ford incentives combine to bring you and your new truck together.